back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here to talk about a very interesting topic which is actually very common in beauty industry as well as everybody nowadays talking about vitamin C. And if you are an OG, you definitely know how much I talk about or even rave about vitamin C because it is the very important and integral part of my skincare routine. So we are going to talk you through all the benefits and how you can use the vitamin C. So vitamin C is an antioxidant which fights the free radicals, and free radicals can actually affect our skin for a lot of aggravated factors. So vitamin C effectively fights all the free radicals, which actually reduces the hyperpigmentation and keep our skin looking very bright and clear. And because of these free radicals, our skin produce a lot of melanin production, and because of that our skin looks very dull, dark, and even leads to dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And just because vitamin C reduces the dark spot, dullness, and even the hyperpigmentation because it reduces the melanin production in our skin, so it is very important to use your vitamin C for your AM and PM routine, and which is going to effectively make your skin appear brighter and spot free. And that is why I have been using Garnier Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. But do you guys already know it's not all the vitamin C are same, because vitamin C is notorious for being unstable. And if you guys don't know, when vitamin C is in the very active form, it is very difficult to penetrate deep down in the skin layers. So that's why you have to pick and choose your products very carefully, because vitamin C has to be in a very stable form to give you the perfect and proper result for your skin. So Garnier has launched this product in India. Comes with a 10% pure vitamin C, which has been stabilized with the patented technology. Plus it has been made with 12 ingredients and with vegan formula. Now the vitamin C concentration is very stable in this product. That's why it effectively gives you the result that you desire, and even it is going to perfectly blend into your skin and gives the maximum results to your skin. And even it has 0% alcohol, 0% silicone in it, which helps to reduce melanin production and works to repair our skin overnight. And that's why I every day wake up with a brighter and beautiful skin. And isn't that amazing? So now I'm going to apply this product onto my skin and demo it for you guys. So before going to bed at night, I firstly wash my face with a very gentle face wash, and then go with this using Garnier Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. And with the help of the dropper, I take a little bit of the drops on my face, like 2 to 3 drops works perfectly, and I gently massage this with my fingers and apply this all over my face and let it be. And this absorbs so quickly and doesn't feel sticky or heavy at all. And the formula is made to go deep inside our skin, so it definitely penetrates the skin and even repairs the skin overnight. And as this product works very beautifully at the night time, so I always wake up in the morning with a very clear and bright skin. And I have seen this has been giving me a lot of fresh look in the morning, and even I love how beautiful my skin looks and feels. And if you regularly use this product, then you will definitely see a difference, and it will actually make your skin look very spot free, very beautiful, youthful, and mainly it will look very hydrated as well, because nighttime skincare is very important, and that's why I use the vitamin C serum by Garnier. And not only this, it is even sulfate free, paraben free. It has been certified by cruelty free and even beta certified. So as a beauty and skincare influencer, I always go under lights and lot of makeup, and even I am a lot asked about what kind of skincare will go really well with all kind of skin and even help them reduce pigmentation, dark spots, and have a glowing, beautiful skin. So I always recommend a potent antioxidant product like vitamin C, and that is why I recommend this product to everybody. And it even reduces 76% oxidative stress too. So what are you guys waiting for? Go grab your vitamin C serum by Garnier, and all the links are there in the description box, so do check it out. And even if you get this product on your hands, do let me know, as I have been using Garnier vitamin C serum for morning skincare and now for night. I have seen a lot of wonderful difference in my skin. It looks nice and beautiful, radiant. I have a lot of dark spots and that has been reduced, and not only reduced, I have even seen like dark spots fade in very easy two-step routine. And if you are not new to my channel, if you are an OG, you definitely know how much I rave about Garnier vitamin C serum in past as well. Now I'm so super happy because I have finally got the nighttime skincare routine, which is very potent and important for our skin. So I recommend you go for it, and do let me know by commenting if you get your hands on the product. So yeah, that is it for this video. We'll see you in our next one. Till then, take care. See you super soon. Mwah. Bye.